The basic bride is basic, but definitely not boring. She's classic, she's elegant, she's subtle, and she knows she's beautiful. So I did a monochromatic look. I wanted to choose with one color family. I chose a very versatile brown. So I could do a soft smoky eye, a soft brown lip. I did very soft contouring, a little bit of highlighting, a little bit of blush, and just a flawless skin. On the eyelid, I used different shades of brown, and to create that smoky effect, I used a brown kajal and smudged it. See, this look is very flawless and healthy, and I need the lips to be healthy and hydrated. So I used lip balm to hydrate the lips. Then I used a lip liner to define them, and then filled them in with a brown nude lipstick. To bring the whole look together, I stayed in the same family, in the brown family. I used a little contouring, a little blush, and at the end, a golden highlighter.